Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in a very unique vehicle here, a 1965 Chevy panel van. Now as you may know, back in the day, panel vans were basically used for delivering stuff, for example, flowers, milk. You usually see these vans going down the road taking all care of your stuff. In fact, nowadays with today's modern world, you can basically turn these vans into anything you want. You can turn them into basically a van for the family. You can still make it a delivery van. Since this van decided to pull in front of us, we can give you a little bit of a brake test. Brakes are really strong. I only touched the pedal lightweight and it stopped the vehicle right there. Other than that, for our exterior, you have the wonderful teal paint. Very shiny, very good. No dull spots anywhere. With the big style white baby moon rims, painted white. For our interior, we have nicely painted dash here. There's no cracks in the paint. Still have our old-fashioned speedometer, aftermarket gauges with an old Delco radio, AM. Pretty sure that still works. And other than that, this is a very unique vehicle we have here at Skyway Classics. Hopes to bring somebody much joy. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around now, get her on the lift. Stay tuned to see the underneath.